We have division of algebraic fractions. How we do this? We have to use the same rule like for division of fractions. It means we have to copy first algebraic fraction. So we have 2x squared minus 13xy plus 20y squared, and denominator is 25x squared minus y squared. Division we have to change to multiplication, and now we have to flip the second fraction. So it will be, denominator will go to numerator, so will be 15x squared plus 7xy minus 2y squared over 6x squared minus 11xy minus 10y squared. Now we have multiplication. How we do multiplication? We have to multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So we have to put in parentheses because this whole expression we have to multiply by that whole expression. So we have 2x squared minus 13xy plus 20y squared times we have 15x squared plus 7xy minus 2y squared over we have 25x squared minus y squared times 6x squared minus 11xy minus 10y squared. This is equal. Next we have to try to reduce. Because we have multiplication, so we have to check what we have in parentheses. Different expressions. So at that moment we cannot reduce anything. So what we can do, we have to factorize. In the parentheses we have x squared and we have x. So we will treat this expression like trinomial and we will use grouping method to factorize. So let me copy this expression. We have 2x squared minus 13xy plus 20y squared. Let's first forget about y's. So will be 2x squared minus 13x plus 20. So first, because the coefficient before x squared is different than 1, so I have to multiply 2 times constant, so this is 20, so this is 40. Now I have to find two numbers which I multiply and I will have 40, and when I add these two numbers I will have negative 13, coefficient before x. So it will be negative 8 and negative 5. Negative 8 times negative 5 is 40 and negative 8 plus negative 5 is negative 13. So now we can rewrite our expression. First we have to copy 2x squared, and now negative 13xy will rewrite that this is negative 8xy and negative 5xy. We still have negative 13xy. It didn't change anything. Plus 20y squared. Next we have to factorize from the first two expressions. We can factorize 2x, so in parentheses I will have x minus 4y, and from the last two expressions I can factorize negative 5y, so in parentheses I will have x plus minus, of course, because I have plus 20, so I have to put minus, and 4y. Negative 5y times negative 4y, it will be positive 20y squared. Now we see that we can factorize x minus 4y, and in the second parenthesis we will have whatever left, so 2x minus 5y. So now we can rewrite our first parenthesis to two products, x minus 4y times 2x minus 5y. The same we have to do with the second parenthesis, so let me copy this expression. We have 15x squared plus 7xy minus 2y squared. Again, at the beginning, let's forget about y's, so it will be 15x squared plus 7x minus 2. Because before x squared we have 15, so we need to find, first we have to multiply 15 times constant, so this is negative 2, so this is negative 30. We need to find two numbers which I multiply and I will have negative 30, and when I add these two numbers I have to have positive 7. So it will be 10 and negative 3. 10 times negative 3 is negative 30, and 10 plus negative 3 is 7. So now we have to come back to our expression. 15x squared we have to copy, and 7xy we rewrite that this is 10xy minus 3xy. We still have the same 7xy when we combine these two like terms. And we have to copy 2y squared. So now, from these two first expressions, we can factorize 5x, and in parentheses we will have 3x plus 2y. And from the last two expressions, we will factorize negative y. So in parentheses we will have 3x plus 2y. Now we see that we can factorize 3x plus 2y, and in the second parenthesis we will have 5x minus y. So next expression we can rewrite 3x plus 2y times 5x minus y. And the second, we have expression in denominator, we have 25x squared minus y squared. We can rewrite that this is 5x to second power minus y squared, and we have difference of two perfect squares. So let me remind you this formula. When we have a squared minus b squared, this is equal a minus b times a plus b. So we now rewrite the denominator, the first parenthesis, that this is 5x minus y times 5x plus y. And the last expression in parentheses, let me copy this. We have 6x squared minus 11xy minus 10y squared. Like before, first let's forget about y's, so will be 6x squared minus 11x plus minus of course 10. So because coefficient before x squared is different than 1, so I have to multiply 6 times constant negative 10, so this is equal negative 60. Next I have to find two numbers which I multiply and I will have negative 60, and when I add them I have to have negative 11, so it will be negative 15 and 4. So now we can rewrite our expression. First 6x squared we have to copy, and negative 11xy I have to rewrite that this is negative 15xy plus 4xy, and negative 10y squared we have to copy, so this is equal. Next I will factorize from this there's two expressions 3x, so in parentheses I will have 2x minus 5y, and from the last two expressions I will factorize 2y, so in parentheses I will have 2x minus 5y. So we have 2x minus 5y times whatever left, so 3x plus 2y. So now we can rewrite our last parenthesis that this is 2x minus 5y times 3x plus 2y. Next, we have to check if we have the same expressions in parentheses. We have first x minus 4y, and in the denominator we don't have 2x minus 5 we have, so we can cancel out. 3x plus 2y we can cancel out. 5x minus y we can cancel out. So we see that this is equal. In the numerator we have x minus 4y, and in the denominator we have only 5x plus y. This is my solution.